to what the court has already said. Zandi said in evidence that the vehicle was parked outside. And you are saying...
Zandi will
Now you are saying in your testimony you did not see a vehicle that was parked outside Zandi's premises.
Jalwena ore hawaka wa bana koloi eneng e pagile kantle go jarete go Zandi. Ha yena a re hona le koloi ne pagile kantle go jarete.
I hopefully ke bona koloi e pagile kantle go jarete.
Thank you.
I do not remember seeing the vehicle that was parked there outside at Zandi's parental houses.
Thank you.
Othi mina ngikhumbula nje ngibona imoto eyayipake ngaphandle kabo Zandi.
Now as you were seated there, just after the first shot was discharged, or you heard the first sound, which you thought it was a sound.
A bang.
A bang, yes. Yes.
Rona o le wa utlwa modumo o no want to re bang. That's correct. Uthi yabo kuyiqiniso ngengezwa lo msindo wente Khumalo.
Now, shortly thereafter, few seconds thereafter, did you observe anyone who jumped the Ngash's gate into their premises?
Jwale hang kabo ha khutshwane nyane fela kamera ntho eno go utlwa modumo ono o ile bona motho ane a khumela ka nkane ka ba champela ka mo jareteng ya Ngashe a jumpa man gate nyana. Not at all. Othi ka angazi mina ngibona umuntu ejampela ngakanqashe ejampa khona lapha na kule gate encane emva kokuthi isibhamu sithume kokuqala.
Motho morning ha sithunya se qeta ho la sa o qala ke motho la feta matha ho ya direction ya park fen kana go.
The one thing that I actually witnessed after the gunshot sound, the first gunshot sound, was a person. It was a person that was running, who passed running towards the park. That was that male person that ran past ourselves towards the park. Othike into eyodwa nje engingakwazi ukuthi ngiyiqaphele yalo mlisa lo othe isibhamu masanda ukwenza ke uchuma kokuqala wase ngase ngimbona endlula la besikhona egijima eyakhona ngale ke ngase parkini.
Thank you, man. Now, the dreadlock issue.
Ha re tla tabeng ena ya di dreadlock.
You say the reason why you said that the person, that one of the two people who you saw running had a dreadlock hairstyle was because as he was running, his hair were flapping, not so.
Ocho jwalo ore wile wacho jwalo ore motho ile ngomona gore bona hane gore na le dreadlocks wile wa khona o bona meriri ya hae ntse ya hodimo le tlase jwalo.
Is it correct? Sorry, is that what this witness said? She specifically says she saw some person with dreadlocks. Not that she assumed that because the way the hair was cascading up and down in his forehead, therefore this person had dreadlock hair. No, the evidence is positive. I saw a person with dreadlocks which came right up to the neck. Am I correct, ma'am?
Ba kere ke se o se buileng o wena o ile wa bona motho ana le di dreadlocks tse ne di fitla molaleng.
Ke sa hopoleng hantle hore ne di setelele tsona ka
Ke ntho e tshwelong mara.
ne di hlokometse ha antse a matha a ya go tlase le ena direction ya ola wa pele e amphating.
They were not very long dreadlocks. I actually noticed those dreadlocks at the time that he was running towards the park. To get bengezona ke okay bengewona ama dreadlocks amade kanti ke ngiye ngaqaphela nje ukuthi ngenkathi yangale ngasephakini kula ngibona khona ke eloke egijima ukuthi ama dreadlocks lawaya.
You'll correct me if I'm wrong, man, because I've got it in my notes that in relation to what you've just said now, you further said, you said that those you assumed, you did not actually use the term assume. Now, I'm getting to be very cautious with terminological exactitudeness. You see, you said the reason why you are saying those could have been dreadlocks is because as he was running, they were flapping.
Wena ntho e bile gore le baka baka le reng ore wena in le di dreadlocks ke ka le baka la gore di dreadlocks dan ne di etsa tjena ke ba tsaba di ka re dia fofa moye wa ba
ne di fofa tsona.
Yes, they were flapping in the air.
Thank you, man.
What were flapping? Because Mr. Musi is not asking that question.
He
says you thought they were dreadlocks because you saw them flapping.
Botso hantle ha e bue ka gore
they were dreadlocks because you saw them flapping. Is that what you're saying?
ke se wena o se tshwa mama mo thola mo botso ere wena o ile wa nagana gore ke di dreadlocks gobane o ile wa bona dintse di fofa tsalo mo yeng ke yona ntho dumelana le yona le baka le etsang gore o re ke di dreadlocks ke ka le baka la gore wena o ile wa bona meriri eno ka re ntse fofa mo yeng ke nnete
ke bone di dreadlocks that motho o fetileng wa bobedi e ne le di dreadlocks tseo tse ne di matha moyeng di arohane le teng a ke hlalosa.
Those were the dreadlocks. I saw the dreadlocks. This person that ran past, he ran past like that, and I could see that these are the dreadlocks, and more so as they were busy flapping in the air.
A ke hlalosa
Further,
ke sa tsebeng botenya ba tsona bone bo le bokakang empa e le se tse nyane tse nyane
and
my
additional description was that in as much as that I could see that those were the dreadlocks, I could not tell the thickness of these locks. However, they were not the very thin ones. Manje ke uthi ke mina ngikwazile ukubona ukuthi lo mlisa ondlula la egijima unama dreadlocks lo. And my apology, Your Lordship, she indicated that this man was the second man.
Yes.
Manje uthi ke lo mlisa lona ondlule egijima lo wesibili. Ngimbone ke ngiwabonile lawo ma dreadlocks kuye. Kanti ke uthi maloko egijima kanjalo endize moyeni lawo ma dreadlocks ngakwazi ukubona ukuthi yiwo ama dreadlocks. Angeke ngikwazi ukusho ukuthi izolo ngithe angeke ngikwazi ukusho ukuthi abe ngakanani abe makhulu kangakanani.
Thank you, ma'am. At the very onset of the cross-examination of my colleague, Mr. Ramusipili, he asks you how was visibility at the scene, and then you said it was not so dark.
Ntate Ramusipili Mwelimane wila botsa gore na ebe go ne go hlakile ha kae ka bo ganya ne le jwang mono wena o bore go ne o se le fifi ha kalo wa hopola. I can still remember that uthi yebo ngisakhumbula ukuthi ngikushilo lokho ukuthi bengekho mnyama kakhulu uma ngibuzwa lo mbuzo.
Now, you will also correct me when I misunderstood your statement. When you said it was not so dark, you were basically saying that it was actually dark, but not so dark.
How re hono ho se le fifi ha kalo ka mantswe a mang ore hono le fifi fela hono se le fifi haholo ibe ke se o se tjong.
ke hona ho kutsho ngobane haufinyana mo ke kgona ho bona ba ho ya pele
no sabon.
a ke hore nka se bone ho ya pelenyana hobane ne ke sa bone hantle.
Now, that is what I actually meant, because I could only see in my immediate vicinity. Beyond that, I couldn't say anything, or I cannot say anything beyond that because I couldn't see clearly.
Thank you.
Uthi ngisho kanjalo ke ukuthi ngangikhona ukubona nje la eduze kimi. Kodwa ke ukuya kudenyana angeke ngikwazi ukusho okuthize ngoba ngangingaboni kahle.
As it is the court, my lord. Now, at the point, just to remind the court again, at what stage, when you were sitting in the vehicle, did the two people, who one of them with dreadlocks and the other one was tall, chubby, as per your description, ran past your vehicle?
Baba babedi ba fitileng le ka makoloing. O mongwe mo telele o mongwe o na le mmele tjena. Ba fitile nakong e feng? Ka mantswe a mang ha o ne ho etsahala eng? Kapo ka tlasa maemo a feng?
Ba fitile ka mora ka ho dile sound eo ya pele ha o feta wa pele.
There was the first gunshot sound when the first person ran past.
Yes.
Ya bobedi ha e qeta ho dile ya bobedi ntse re le ka moo empa e sellela haufinyana mo pela rona.
Ntse le ka moo
Ka hara koloi.
Now, the second gunshot sound was heard while we were still inside of the vehicle, even though it sounded as though it was closer to where the vehicle was. Manje le ESB ni izwakele kwangathi seduze ke Michael besiloko sisemotweni. Kwaphela ke kukhale isibhabu sesachuma kokuqala emva kwalokho ke kwandlula lomlisa wokuqala. Makhala le yesibini okanye isibhabu masithuma kwesibili besemotweni sasikhala nje la eduze.
Kya ho hlahela baba babedi ba matha ba sa siane haholo ba ne ba mathisana ba ne babedi ho ya tlase.
That's when those two appeared running, and they were running down the street, and the two of them were running together, even though there was one that was slightly in front of the other, but one could see that they were running together towards the same direction. There's a demonstration with the hands of the witness here. One hand is in front, the other one is slightly behind the other. So manje ke labalisa ke emva kwalokho kwasekuvela bona qhamukabona nje bayagijima bagijima bonke bobabini kanjalo abashiyani kangako nanoma bebuka ngazi khona umunye bengaphambidlana komunye kodwa ke ubone ukuthi bagijima bonke baqonde endaweni eyodwa bo2 sebenzisa izandla zakhe nje kanjalo.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, when you observe them running towards the park, you were still seated in the motor vehicle.
How about hlokomela ba matha ba ya ka parking nentsel dutse ka makoloi? It is indeed so. Uthi yebo kunjalo besiloko sileli ngasemotweni.
And you were able to see that one of them had dreadlocks.
Wa khona lo bona hore e mong a bona na le dreadlocks. It is so. Yebo kunjalo ngakwazi ukubona umunye wabo ube nama dreadlocks.
Thank you.
Udaleboha.
Now there is something called a PEM.
Wa ona ntona bitwa PEM.
Do you know what a PEM is?
Yes, I know it. When I look up busy PEM. Jebo, ngiyakwazi lokho.
Would you agree with me that PEM come in all sorts of shapes and sizes? Others will go up until to the length of the shoulders. Others will just be very smart on their head. Just
But
like,
about di tla ka mefuta-futa di-perm tsena. Tse ding di dutse hantle di tsepame hodima hlooho, tse ding di riale ke tla tjena. Wa di hopola?
nna perm ke tsebang ke ya afro ke sa tsebeng a ke tsebe mefuta ya di-perm.
Well, the only one perm style that I know is the Afro style. There isn't various styles of perm that I know. It's the Afro. Manje ke i-perm mina engiyaziyo ile Afro. Angazi nje eminye imihlobo ye-perm.
I would have made an example about Lionel Richie in his heydays.
Yabona-ke.
As a good question,
I withdraw that one.
is there any relevance to this line of cross-examination?
I withdraw that, man.
Okay, kgutlisa taba eo. Le bale ka yona.
I'm not so sure, my lord, if the court is going to allow me. There's a colleague of ours that I saw, I think on Monday, operating a machine here. Yes, a colleague of ours. It's a she. She was operating a machine.
Where is he?
I'm trying to look her in the court. There she is. I'm calling them colleagues, my lord, as we sit here. Yes, because I saw her operating the machine on. I looked at her hair and I thought I would probably would have to make an example of her hair.
She only knows one type of pen. Am I correct?
I get it, Jalo. It's about mofuta le mongwe na ke wa perm. That's correct, my lord.
I know Richie.
As it please the court, my lord. As it please the court, man. Ma'am, I'm putting it to you that the circumstances under which you said that the seventh suspect was wearing a perm, not a perm, had dreadlocks on her head, could not have allowed you to be able to observe him because
Ke be wena me hore maemo ano le ka tlase ho bona. Ana ke ba a o dumella hore o bone eno e mong ya neng ana le di dreadlocks ka tlasa mabakana a latelang.
number one, you're seated in a vehicle.
Sa pele o no dutse ka koloing.
Number two, the gentleman came running past you.
Sa bobedi o tlile matha feta mona kolong.
Worst of all, it was dark.
Se mpefatsang ditaba holo ke hore ho ne ho le lefifi.
Therefore, you could not have been able to say that indeed the person had dreadlocks in their.
Jwale ka tlasa ona mabaka ano no ke be wa ba khona ho bona hore motho na ka nnete na le di dreadlocks. I want to reiterate that I observed that this person had dreadlocks. Tando pinda kulo muntu ngimbona ukuthi ube nama dreadlocks. Ngengamqaphela ukuthi unama dreadlocks.
Thank you, my lord. I'm going back to Wandevela. I'm saying I'm going back to Wandevela, my lord. Yes, it please the court, my lord. I've got no further question to this
What about
matter.
the gentleman who had a hoodie? I'm not pursuing it. You are not fine, no problem.
I wear a hoodie.
A hoodie. You don't remember that?
I remember trying to demonstrate in court here how a hoodie was worn, my lord, but then I was.
Yes.
My lord.
I'm referring to this